Client SEO reports getting you down, agency leaders? Logging into 5 different platforms, copying, pasting updates, tossing together a report you think is worth reading? It's a lot. There is a better way. I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps to creating client SEO reports with the help of AgencyAnalytics and our easy-to-use templates. Let's start by hopping into the platform. The first step is connecting your marketing platform integrations to AgencyAnalytics. Each of your SEO reports can pull data from several different platforms, including Google Analytics 4, Google Search Console, Majestic, and more. Here you can see the range of SEO integrations that connect to AgencyAnalytics. In this example, let's connect your client's GA4 data. Once you're in the client you wish to add the integration to, select GA4 from the integration options. Then select Connect New Account. Next, follow the authorization prompts in the pop-up window. The new account is now authorized and is now part of your connections list. Now repeat this process for all of the different SEO platforms you use for your clients. There, step 1 is done. Step 2 is my favorite time-saving hack. We'll be using the SEO report template. Let's head down to reports and then click Create Report. Next, click on the Start from a Template option. As you can see here, there are a range of templates to choose from, and there'll be even more if you've created templates of your own. Simply type in SEO report and the preset template will be ready there waiting for you. Click Continue, give the report a new title, and then you'll see as the report populates, all of your data is already in there. Now for the final step. Customization and schedule. As you can see, the template includes preset sections with client data already included. This is from the integrations we set up in step 1. Now it's time to customize. Maybe you want to include an AI summary to punch up a section, or take out entire sections or add in new ones. This template is the perfect starting point. In a matter of minutes, you can have your SEO report ready to go. Once you feel good about your SEO report, save it. From there, you can download it as a PDF, share it directly with your client through email, or schedule it to be sent at a later date. And there you have it. Go from a blank page to a complete and vibrant SEO report your clients are going to love. And it just took 3 steps and a few minutes. Try out your client SEO reports with this helpful template only from AgencyAnalytics. Check the link in the description for your 14-day free trial today. And start reporting smarter, not harder.